Find path. What is that path? Is slash hyphen type f hyphen name. What is the name? Star dot star means everything. Star dot cfg. Star dot cfg. Star dot gfg. Cfg. Star dot cfg. You guys understood? Find type equal to f. So find type equal to a file name. So cfg. You see, guys, slash boot grub.cfg slash etc python cert validation.csv slash root unconduct even case.cfg. So how many cfg files we have? So we have
Great.
only three
Great.
cfg files. Guys, so I want to find the backup or something. mkdir day, right? We have to find the day. Or what is that? Fedora. Fedora is created, right? So find slash hyphen type. What is the type, guys? Hyphen type d hyphen name. What is the hyphen name, guys? CentOS. Guys, CentOS will be listing under the boot EFI, EFI CentOS slash dev CentOS slash root CentOS. So here are the CentOS for directories finding. So if you use the find command, it will display the files and directories. It will find the files and directories. But in the grep command, it will display only the string in the given document. It will display the string from the given document only. So grep will work on only file. Find will work for to find the file or a directory. To find the file or a directory. Guys, understood? Yeah. So the next one is copy. Copy ls. Yeah. Anaconda, right? Durga. Hari.txt, Durga. Error.txt. Copy hari.txt to class 1.txt. Hari.txt to class 1.txt. So using find command, how do I find the directory permissions? Directory permissions are so the directory permissions we can see. So something like we can modify what is the file modified. So right. So by using we cannot find I think ls hyphen ld. It will see the var log to see the permissions for a directory. To see the permissions for the directory.
Sir, ls hyphen ld and ls hyphen lrt both are same, right?
ls hyphen
lrt.
lrt. So it will display only the so for example var where you see. So whatever the files and folders are there, it will display files and folders. So if you want to do the particular permission on a directory, LD, D is nothing but a directory. Guys understood?
Got it.
Yeah. So the command, so so Narayana is asking, so Narayana is asking the command. Let's try find slash hyphen type D hyphen ls. So in that slash we have a number of files, right? Var. We can give the var. Find slash path hyphen type t, the path is root, root hyphen type equal to d hyphen ls. Type D is nothing but a directory. In the directory, it will list the permissions. It will list the permissions. Able to see? Understood? The permissions? Narayana?
Yeah, yeah, I
I
got it.
think that's,
Yeah, yeah, I
yeah.
can see.
Yeah. So what is copy? Copy is done, right? Copy done now? Yeah. Copy hyphen R um, day one to tempo. Yeah. So if I'm trying to, without hyphen R, if I'm trying to copy day two, just omitting the directory. Omitting the directory. We cannot copy the directory without hyphen R. Understood? Yeah. So move command, move hari.txt to hari1.txt. I'm renaming file. This is the rename. Okay. Yeah. Original file will be renamed. Original file will be renamed. Hari.move hari1.txt to temp. Let's see. There is no hari1.txt. It is moved to slash temp. cd slash temp ls. Yeah, that slash hari1.txt is there, right? The original files will be changed by using move command. So, right, hari cd slash temp, yeah, hari.txt is there, hari1.txt. I want to, I want to hide this file. What is that? Move hari1.txt before hari1.txt in the destination. So you can give the dot. Okay. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the hari1.txt? No, because of it is in hidden state. How you can how you can see the hidden files? So ls hyphen la. So ls hyphen la. You see that hari.txt is in the file, but this is in the hidden state. Okay. How you can unhide? So before source, you need to put the dot. Ls, yeah, re1.txt is created. Okay. Next rm command. Rm day hyphen one. Right. Rm day hyphen one is a directory. Yes. Here also we need to use the hyphen r. So rm hyphen r day one. Yeah. You see, if you are not providing any f forcefully, it will asking the yes or no. Yes, it is deleted. Rm hyphen rf day two. So is it asking yes or no? No. Without asking yes or no, if you use the rm-rf. rm-rf star. Star means everything will be deleting. I will do last. Hyphen r hyphen m hyphen rm-rf day hyphen one star ls. You see? So 10 to 19 it will be deleting. Again, I'm executing the same command. So 20, 30. Let's see. So only up to so day 9. I want to delete that one also. RM hyphen RF day hyphen star. After day hyphen, whatever the directories are there, 1 to 9, it will delete it. Okay, guys. Yeah. RM hyphen RF weak hyphen star means it will delete everything. It will delete the all the weak stars. LS, yeah, it is T. So RM hyphen RF. I'm using the star. Star is nothing but everything. It will delete anaconda cave dot cfg, bluejay tech dot txt, cat, centos, error dot txt, fedora, red hat. Everything will be everything will be deleted, guys. Let's see. LS. You see? everything will get deleted. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you guys understood?
Yes.